Alright, hello guys, welcome back to the new edition of this particular YouTube channel. You can call me Adiayo. Alright, so in today's particular video, we are going to look into a particular market on virtual games. Actually, this particular strategy is based on double chance, and we are going to look into the accuracy of this particular strategy. But one thing that I want you guys to note is that whenever you want to make use of a strategy that is really working out on virtual, just make sure that you are not staking too high, and the initial staking amount that you are starting with should be what you maintain till the end of the day or till you decided to stop. Now let's assume that you are starting with 1000 naira, 2000 naira, and you are winning consistently. Just make sure that you maintain that amount. So we are going to look into home or draw, double chance market on virtual. And I want you guys to note something. Virtual is not, you guys are aware that virtual, they are simulation games, and the result is based on the bookmakers. The bookies can monitor your results, they can monitor your game. Now let's see the outcome and the accuracy of this particular strategy. So if you guys can develop a strategy from this particular double chance, kindly make use of it, and just make sure that you maintain a fixed staking amount. So revealing virtual secrets online, I don't think is a very good idea, but you guys can actually join our basketball masterclass group, basketball and football masterclass group. I'm going to drop the group link in the video description and also in the comment section. All right, so let us check this particular game again, and let's see the outcome of it. Bournemouth against Forest. Actually, these are not real games, but there are factors that you can also consider to get the accurate outcome of double chance. All right, so if it is just one game that you are getting, just keep maintaining it. If it is one game, if it is two game, just keep maintaining it and maintain your fixed staking amount. So if you are watching this, just go to your virtual, start with little amounts by testing. Go for home team, only home team under England, just go for only home team. Look at the best games that you can actually look into. And the strategy that I happens to be using, I think most times, if I'm looking only on England, sometimes it is only just one games that I always get. So that's why I always maintain just one game taking. And I think in real life too, predicting more on home games is more better. So that's the idea of going for the home team. For the away team, I haven't tried this particular strategy on it. So you guys can go and look into it. Apart from home team over 0.5 goals, you guys can try home team double chance, but you develop your own hypothesis or idea on it. I think this particular strategy too is working on home team over 0.5, but anyway, it is just a quick update, so you guys can explore this particular market and make use of it. And if you want to join any of our masterclass group, you are going to find the group link in the video description and also in the comment section. See you guys in the next video, and if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Bye.